We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and related words in English. We're going to be looking at how to say it in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations are different here. In British English, this is said as again, again. In American English, however, it is normally pronounced as again, again. In American English versus again. In British English, did you get this? Could you hear the difference? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button to support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.